I'm Tom and this is my fourth video for the Printrbot Simple Metal Kit. In the last video we assembled the Z-axis and installed the electronics. In this video we're going to start assembling the Y-axis. For this you'll need the Y-axis itself and the bag with the extruder parts. But for now we're only going to use the extruder base. Now the extruder base has two functions. Of course it serves as the base for the rest of the extruder, but it's also a mount for the hot end. So when mounting the extruder base, try to line up the holes for the hot end in the Y arm and the extruder base. For attaching the extruder base to the Y arm, you'll be using three 10mm M3 screws. Next up we'll install the fan to the Y arm, and this is installed from behind. Use 4 of the longer 20mm M3 screws plus a hex nut on the back, but also keep an eye out for which direction you want the fan's wire to go out. When you got all 4 screws installed, tighten them down, but keep in mind that the fan is plastic and you don't want to smash it. Next we'll install the Z-probe, which is responsible for automatically tramming the bed before every print. To install it, we'll remove both nuts and toothed washers and then insert it into the hole in the Y arm. Install it with the tip facing away from the extruder base, so not like this. The best way to install the probe is to push it through halfway, then install a nut and a toothed washer. Push it through the rest of the way and then install another toothed washer and another nut. Don't worry too much about the exact position of the sensor at this moment. We'll calibrate that once we have the whole printer assembled. And that's what it looks like when it's done. So that was the fourth part of my assembly guide for the Printrbot Simple Metal Kit. In the next part we're going to look at assembling the extruder.